Looking to get your favorite ebooks and PDFs into the Books app on your iPhone? Well, I've got your back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to quickly add ebooks and PDFs to your iPhone so you can access them right from your library. So let's start. First of all, open the Files app and go to where you have downloaded the ebooks. Then tap and hold until this menu pops up. Now tap on Share from here. Here you will find the Books app in this list of apps. If you don't see it in the list, just tap on More and you will surely find it there. Now tap on Books and the ebooks, whether it's a PDF or EPUB, will be imported and opened in the Books app. If you go back to your library, you will find it there. So guys, that's how you import ebooks and PDFs to the Books app on your iPhone. If the video was useful, smash that like button, and if you want more iPhone related tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel as always. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!